Many carbonara recipes rely on cream for their smooth texture, but you don't actually need it. The secret comes from a simple combination of eggs, parmesan, and a little bit of pasta water to create a rich, silky sauce that perfectly coats every piece of pasta. You'll find the full list of ingredients and exact quantities in the description, so you can easily follow along. Let me show you how. If you want a strictly traditional carbonara, the meat should be guanciale or pancetta, but those can be difficult to find and often quite expensive. So I like to use smoked pork belly instead. It has plenty of fat, which is exactly what we need for a good carbonara, though I first remove the skin and any small bones. Then I cut it into fairly large chunks, since they will shrink as the fat renders. Next, grate the parmesan into a bowl. Separate the yolks from 2 eggs and add them to the cheese. You can use the whole eggs if you prefer, but I find the sauce becomes richer and creamier when using only the yolks. Add a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper and mix everything into a thick paste. Lastly, the pasta. Use whichever shape you enjoy most. Traditionally, spaghetti is used, but I much prefer penne. Bring a pot of generously salted water to a boil, add the pasta, give it a quick stir, and cook it according to the package instructions. By the time the pasta is cooking, is the perfect moment to start on the meat. Place the pork belly in a cold non-stick pan, add a small amount of oil, then set the heat to medium. Starting with the cold pan allows the fat to render gradually instead of quickly browning the outside before enough fat has been released. Stir occasionally and let it cook until nicely browned. If it starts coloring too quickly, simply lower the heat. Once the pasta is ready, drain it, but make sure to reserve some of the cooking water. We'll need it later to create a creamy sauce without using cream. Add the pasta to the pan and stir it for about a minute over low heat so every piece gets coated in that rendered fat. Then add the egg and parmesan mixture and a splash of water. Stir everything together for about 30 seconds, then turn off the heat. This is important because we want the eggs to stay silky and creamy rather than curdle. Continue adding small amounts of pasta water while stirring until the sauce becomes smooth, glossy, and coats the pasta evenly. Serve immediately with extra grated parmesan and a generous sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. And that's it! Perfect carbonara every time! If you try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out and if you liked it. If you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss future recipes. Or check out one of my other videos, you might find something you like. Until next time, bye!